Hey guys, welcome to your phonics lesson today. You are going to need worksheet number 47. That's a 4 and a 7 in the corner. Make sure yours looks like mine. You're also going to need your alphabet handwriting strip, okay? So let's take a look at your worksheet and let's take a look at your alphabet handwriting strip. Who remembers how many letters are in our alphabet? Can you say 26? Good, there are 26 letters in our alphabet. What two kinds of letters make up our alphabet? Consonants and vowels. Good job. Can you name the vowels? What color are the vowels? Are they black or red? Red. All right, let's name our red letters. Ready? A, E, I, O, U. There are 5 vowels. Can you show me 5? Good, 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, and U. Do you remember when we were finding blends at the beginning of the word? We were listening for those sounds. Yeah, so I'm going to say a word that has a blend, and I want you to tell me what the blend is, okay? The first word is glue. Can you say glue? What do you hear? What's that blend at the beginning of glue? Gl, gl, gl. Good. What are the 2 letters that say gl, g? What letter says G? G, L, L, G, L. Glue starts with G, L. That's a blend. Good. All right, let's try another one. Ready? Say flip. Flip. What do you hear at the beginning of flip? What's that blend? Fl, fl. Good. Fl, F, L. Fl. Good. All right, say stop. What do you hear at the beginning of stop? St, st. What 2 letters say st? S, T. St, st. Good. Okay, let's do some letter and sound review. What letter are we talking about today? What have we been talking about for a few days? What's this letter? F. Good job. What sound does F say? Good. All right, ready? Let's do some letter review. What's this letter? F, S, O, G, A, P, T, I, H, M, N. Good. All right, let's do our sight words. Ready? What does T-H-E spell? What is that word? The or the. Good. What about T-O? What does T-O spell? Can you say two? Good, 2. All right, let's do some picture and sound review. Ready? Monkey, octopus, ah. Tent, t. Nest, inch, I. Sun, s. Pig, p. Apple, ah. Goat, g. Hat, fish, that's our letter we're talking about. Good. All right, good job, guys. Okay, now, do you see my word that I have written on the board? This is one of your new sight words. Can you say the word of? This looks like if we sounded it out, it would be off. But that's not the word off. This is of. It's not spelled like it sounds, so that's why we have to just memorize it. That's why it's called a sight word. Of. Say of. Can you use the word of in a sentence? Tell your adult something with the word of, a sentence. I have a book of letters. Like that. Good. Okay. We're going to add that one to our deck. So remember, this is the sight word of, O-F. I'm going to erase that. Now, let's take a look at your worksheet. Do you see the 2 boxes with letters? Do you see the letter F in those boxes? I found an uppercase F. Do you see a lowercase f? There's a lowercase f. Let's match those together. Draw a line from your upper to your lowercase. Good. Now, here's what I want you to do. I want you to pause the video in just a second. You're going to go through by yourself and match your upper and lowercase letters. Okay? So pause the video. When you have unpaused the video, check your worksheet, make sure it looks like mine, that you've matched those upper and lowercase letters, and then flip your paper over. Now, before we look at the back side of our worksheet, I'm going to write another word on the board. I-N-N. How many letters are in this word? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 letters. Which letter is the vowel? I. Good job. How am I going to code my I? With a what? What's that funny word? Breathe. Yeah, it looks like a smiley face. So I'm going to code it with a breathe. Why do I code it with a breathe? It's followed by a consonant. That N is a consonant. It's blocking it. Good. Look at the 2 N's. Remember, whenever we see 2 like consonants next to each other, we cross the second one out, okay? Because it only makes 1 sound. So I'm going to cross out my second N, okay? What do we call 2 consonants that look like each other and that are beside each other? Twin consonants. Say twin consonants. That's right. Whenever we have twin consonants, we cross out the second one to remind us that we pronounce only the first one, okay? So let's read this word together. In. In. Can you say in? When you see the word in that looks like this, it has 2 N's, that is like a place to stay, okay? When you see the word in, that's somewhere that we like to stay, okay? Now, let's take a look at your worksheet, okay? I just wanted to remind you about coding our words with breathes and our twin consonants. Don't forget that new rule, okay? Look at number 1. Circle the word off. Look at your 3 words. Which one of those words is off? You're looking for the letters that say ah and f. Is it the first, the second, or the third word? The first. Good. You should have circled the first one. O-F-F is off. That one also has twin consonants. Okay. Look at number 2. Circle the word loss. 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 Is it the first, the second, or the third? The third word. Good. Loss. L-O-S-S. That one also has what? Twin consonants. Good. Okay, look at number 3. Circle the word hill. Hill. Is it the first, the second, or the third? The second word. Good, that middle one. H-I-L-L is hill. That one also has what? Twin consonants. Okay, look at number 4. Circle the word fill. Fill. First, second, or third? First. Good job. Fill. Good job, guys. Okay, now let's look at your words in your dotted box. Put your finger on the first one. Let's say them together. Ready? If, of, his, has, its. I want you to read those to someone at your home and then take a picture of the front and the back side so I can see your awesome work. Now, what letter are we talking about this week? What's this letter? F. What sound does F say? Good. All right, boys and girls, see you tomorrow.